Nice celebrant. Newboro. Oh, Newboro, how are you? Good. 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 Thank you. Please, come on. Hey, get ahead. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As you know that, again, we are here to give another civil marriage certificate for a new celebrant. As you know that we have had made an amendment to the laws to allow marriage celebrants outside the normal marriage officer regime to be able to take up these positions, to be able to provide better services to members of the public. This of course will allow the marriage celebrant to be able to conduct marriage ceremonies anywhere couples like, intending couples like, whether they want to go and have it in a park or on a beach, and of course whatever time of day or night. And this of course is goes towards a long way in providing better services to members of the public. We also have a very robust tourism sector, and so we have a lot of foreigners who do come and get married in Fiji, and they want to have the marriages conducted in different locations. We also urge Mr. Taito Awanga Vakatonga, who is here today with us, is the new celebrant, and we also urge you, Mr. Taito, to liaise with also Tourism Fiji, because they help you get in touch with other people. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I have much pleasure in handing over the certificates to Mr. Wanga Vakatonga. Thank you. Thank you.